Are you trying to find the best razors for Bikini Area? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 7 best razors for Bikini Area. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. For quick cleanups, having an electric shaver in your grooming toolkit is a necessity, and the Philips Norelco OneBlade is hard to top for versatility. You can use it wet or dry, and it removes stubble effectively without causing skin irritation or ingrown hairs. It is equipped with blades for the face and body, 4 beard combs, 1 body comb, a protective cap, and is said to operate for up to 60 minutes on a single charge. With the Philips Norelco OneBlade, you get a facial shaver and trimmer all in one convenient, easy-to-use package. This unique trimmer lets you shave in up to 11 locations, while simultaneously trimming your sideburns and neckline. The body shaver takes care of any unwanted fuzz on your body, leaving it smooth and hair-free. Number 2. If you have dry skin or need more hydration during the winter, turn to this Schick razor. In addition to the razor's flip-back trimmer for tidying up the 5 o'clock shadow and stubble beneath the nose, each of the 5 blades has a skin guard that is moisturized with Japanese rice bran oil. The handle is non-slip, and it is claimed that the razor would keep skin hydrated for 2 hours after shaving. Schick Hydro Dry Skin Razor's triple action formula moisturizes and hydrates for smooth, healthy-looking skin. This razor uses water rinse technology to get rid of dry, itchy skin without the irritation of a traditional blade. A pivoting handle moves in a full circle to deliver a close shave, while 5 adjustable settings allow you to get the perfect shave every time. Number 3. The Truman is another great 5-blade razor from Harry's, with a lower price point than the Winston. It features a weighted core and comfortable, ergonomic 2-tone handle that's available in several bright colors, plus a textured grip. Like all the brand's razors, the blade is German engineered from Swedish steel, and this value-packed set includes 2 extra blade cartridges, a protective cover, and a 4-ounce bottle of their foaming shave gel. Harry's razors for men are built to provide men with the same quality shave you'd get from a major brand at a fraction of the cost. They use the same precision blades and craftsmanship that have made Harry's razors one of the best-selling brands across North America, but offer you a classic feel at a fraction of the price. Number 4. Newbie shavers need a razor with an especially forgiving design to avoid cuts, and this one from Merkur fits the bill. It features a fixed blade and heavily weighted, extra thick short handle to prevent slipping and provide steady control, plus it has a well-textured grip. The blades are inexpensive and each are wax paper wrapped for extra safety. The Merkur is the first triple-edge razor we ever tried. It was small, but with a big deal: the ability to adjust both the length of your shave and individual blade exposure. Each side of each blade is exposed by a ½ ounce of weight, according to Merkur. Number 5. For those looking for a hot towel shave on a regular basis, the heated 5-blade Gillette razor is a game-changer. It quickly warms up and has a button on the handle for temperature adjustment. It is entirely waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. The razor head also has textured, gripping sides, flexes left and right to conform to your face for an extra close shave, and flexes left and right. Along with 2 replacement razor cartridges, the kit comes with a wireless charger with a magnetic dock. This Gillette Mach 3 heated razor for men provides a smooth close shave while its heated element heats up before use. Designed with advanced technology, this razor can be used in either the left or right hand depending on comfort. This foam tip shaver is comfortable against your face and smooth even the toughest stubble easily. Number 6. Your best bet is this product from Bevel if you have a thick, coarse beard and skin that is prone to razor bumps and ingrown hairs. The double-edged safety razor has a chrome-plated brass construction and is well weighted to glide over skin for a close shave without causing irritation. The firm also offers an entire shaving skincare range, including shave cream and aftershave balm, and it is sold singularly or in sets that include a shaving brush. The Bevel safety razor is a premium shaving tool made from high-quality materials. This razor will last for years, and you can use it with any type of shaving cream and soap without the fear of hurting yourself because of the quality construction. A unique bevel design has been developed to provide the closest shaves possible on your face. Number 7. German carbon steel and an ebony handle and black are used to create this dapper conventional straight razor. The normal blade, which is 5/8 of an inch thick and has been detailed in 24-karat gold, is attached on both sides and has a rounded tip. The maintenance is required, but it is well worth the expense to pat the blade dry after each usage. The razor makes a wonderful gift and is offered with various handle and blade finishes. The all-around, double bevel design of the DOVO straight razor makes it easier to shave your face. You can use this razor on the grain or against it, so you're free to crop and pull the hair upward for a closer shave. The handle is contoured for easy gripping. It even has a cushion grip for that extra bit of comfort. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.